going to show you quickly how to bond a pool heater. Now, you see it's unbonded over there. There's no bonding wire there, but the problem is it's way over there and the equipment's way over here. So how do we do that? Well, we're going to build a trench and bury some bonding wire and connect it over to the pool pump bonding wire. So let's go ahead and get started. So a couple supplies you'll need. We'll need a trenching shovel, need some rigid conduit and some bonding wire, and you also need a copper split bolt to join up. And then this one looks like it needs a new lug, so if I can't get the screw out, we'll replace that as well. So those are the only things you'll need. Alright, so I went ahead and did it, but what you want to do, you want to take this shovel and dig a trench. You're going to bury the bonding wire all the way over to the equipment so you can keep it protected. And so you take your trench shovel, just dig it. Now you want to do your dry run. Go ahead and put the bonding wire out in the trench. Get your rigid conduit, run enough length from the ground to the bonding lug there, and then also run back to the equipment, which we'll put a copper split bolt over there. But key note, you want to make sure that those conduit is a good 3 to 4 inches out of the ground to help protect the wire, for weed eating, walking by, or whatnot. So go ahead and finish this up, bury it up, and we'll be good to go. Now be careful when you're digging. This was right in my line. It was a conduit going from the box to the heater, so just be careful. You're going to run into pipe sometimes, conduit like this, so just be ultra careful when you're digging in. So dig into more of a shallow end than more of a vertical straight up and down, so you don't accidentally cut into that. So just want to let you guys know that. Alright, so we got most of the dry run done, and now what we're going to do is anchor the rigid conduit to the concrete, so that way it's protected coming out of the ground. That's always an important thing. So all I'm going to do here is just take a conduit strap, mark where it's at, drill into the concrete with my hammer drill, and then secure it down the TAPCon and strap via my impact driver. So we'll go ahead and get that done now. Alright, here's the finished product. You can see that the rigid conduit's anchored to the concrete there to protect it. Heater's bonded. Over here to the other side, nice and anchored in the concrete. Go behind here to the equipment, and we can see that this has this copper split bolt, which is up to code to join 2 bonding wires. So that's how you guys run bonding wire. And as always, like and subscribe. Have a great day, everyone.